Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today we have a special collaboration, and this is called Declutter My Space. Guys, if you have things that you need to get rid of, you need to declutter an area and organize it, then this is the video for you. I have to do that with every area of my home, so I'm going to host this collaboration every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to post all of the information in the community tab. Now this collab is also being hosted by Buckeye Girls Recent Things. So between her and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, we're going to be hosting this collab. So anyone who wants to jump in, it is an open invite collaboration. Anyone and everyone can join. I cannot wait to have you. So let's get started. I am decluttering now all of my crafts. And guys, I cannot tell you how much stuff I have to get rid of. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll pop in and out of the video. Now I'm going to link down in the description box the host and the channel links. I'm also going to link the playlist. So make sure guys and watch the video, subscribe to the channel, join in, share the video guys. So many people need to declutter and I would love to have them. And then head on over to the playlist so you can watch what we're decluttering. Right now I'm hitting the craft room, and I was supposed to be in that room. That's my room, but the crafts kind of pushed me out, so we got to fix this. So come on with me guys. Now, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And when you click the like button and watch a video, this helps me to grow. And when you comment below, it also lets me know how you're enjoying the video. So, yeah. Now, I would love for you to head on over to the community tab where I host quite a bit of collaborations. All of them are open invites for everyone to enjoy. Now what you see me doing here is first I have to sort out this madness. I have a lot of those small Dollar Tree little collapsible bins, and there's no need for them. So I need to sort things out in groups, and then I know by sight what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. But pretty much we don't need those collapsible bins, so I need to have things separated. I got one of the Dollar Tree's big they look like huge Ziploc bags, and they're in by the hook section and the laundry type section. If you go in there, you'll see these bags, and they are pretty durable. I recommend them, but some of this stuff really has to go. Now the bag wasn't full because I still have tons of stuff in the room. We're working with about 6 of these collapsible little boxes just to see what's in them, guys. Nothing is in any kind of order, so yeah, you're just helping me sort through this mess. Now that's the Ziploc bag I was talking to you about. Is pretty durable. It holds a lot of weight, and I probably should have had more stuff in there. But I got to figure out what I want to let go of and what I don't. But I do have to condense stuff. In any case, we're almost done with this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Meet me back here again next Monday at 10 a.m. And we're just going to keep sorting through the room. I guess eventually I'll work my way in there so you could see the room. But I don't know. I'm having a ball, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.